It's summertime. I gotta come up with a little saying. Welcome back. Day 2, June 2nd, summer countdown. And here's Nezzy to say hello. Say hello, world. This is my Nezzy girl. Okay, girl, go down. So today is Kel's turn. So we're gonna do 2 things. We're gonna check out what she got us, and we're gonna pull something out of the little envelope. If you were listening yesterday, on her days, I'm going to be pulling an envelope out. It's going to have a postcard and a question, and we'll do that. So here's my first day with Kelly, that is, and here is day 2 package. She went and wrapped them all. Look at her, man. Okay, so let's open. Oh yeah, so anyways, I'm going to be doing that at Kel's Day, and then on Jean's Day, I have my blessing cards that I'm going to be reading, and they're sweet little cards. So I'll be doing that. So I hope everybody's having a fabulous day, and let's see what's in here. I might have to get scissors. I wasn't expecting it. Hers was so well organized, and I don't think I maybe have some here. No, I don't know. I hate ripping. Oh. So I try to have a little goofy time. I kind of went a little goofy on my gifts. I hope that you all liked what I got you, but same here, you know, if you don't like it, and some of them you're probably going to give away, but that's okay. It was more for fun. And I appreciate you guys doing this as a fun little thing. And I want to show you what she got me. It is super, super cute. Excuse me, I'm getting all choked up. I think my allergies with my cats and dogs. Be heavenly minded and earthly good. This is super cute bag. Little tote bag. It's adorable. Thank you, Kelly. This is so cute. It's a nice little book tote bag. Perfect. Taking stuff to work. If you go to the library, I used to go to the library down in Longview all the time, which is a little bit further away, but it's going to be very useful, and I will use it. I like it. Thank you. So let's go on to the first day of Kelly's question and postcard. So, cute postcard. This is actually scenic West Virginia. The cluster of 3 crosses on the postcard is a familiar sight along highways in many states of America, as well as 2 foreign countries. Anyways, so this one was taken, it looks like the Flatwoods in West Virginia along US 79. So that's approximately in the center of West Virginia. So let's see what the first question is. Okay. Who knows you best? Who knows me best? I would say my mother probably, and my mother and my husband. Probably my mother. She's known me the longest. So my mama, she knows me best. This is fun. This is going to be interesting. So come back tomorrow. We'll see what I got from Jean, from Pinkee Jean, and then keep on going alternating days between Pinkee Jean and Kel's Mel Joy. So come back. Don't forget to go down below, click the link, and find out what they got today for Kelly from Kel's Kitchen and Pinkee Jean. All right. Till next time. Bye.